Hello, welcome Reindev Review. Welcome to our tutorial on how to fix PUBG Mobile lag. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to ensure smooth gameplay in the latest version of PUBG Mobile. First, make sure you've updated the game to the latest version available on Google Play Store, as new updates often come with performance improvements. After we have finished updating PUBG Mobile, it's time for us to open the game and enjoy the new features. But, remember friends, don't forget to always make sure your cell phone is cold before playing. Don't play if your cell phone feels warm, because that can affect your game performance and gaming experience. Okay, so here I will first open the cell phone casing so that the cell phone doesn't heat up quickly when playing games. This is a simple trick but quite effective, you know. The thing is, if the cell phone is hot, its performance can drop. Now, after removing the casing, we can go straight into the game settings. There, we can adjust the graphics, frame rate, etc. so that the game is smoother. So, prepare your cell phone and set it to the right settings. Okay friends, for the anti-aliasing setting, it's better to just turn it off so that your cell phone's performance is smoother. Then, we also disable power saving, because this feature can limit performance when playing games. So, let's just use the smooth, extreme setting, so that the game still looks good but remains smooth and has minimal lag. After that, we go to control settings, then scroll down until it stops. Here, we turn off the highlight moment and lose reply sections. This feature is actually for recording important moments while playing, but if you turn it off, our cell phone doesn't need extra work to record, so game performance can be lighter. This setting will help make your PUBG playing experience smoother without burdening your cell phone's performance. So, I disabled these two settings, highlight moment and lose reply, and I usually do this so that my PUBG gaming performance remains smooth. By turning off this feature, your cell phone will not be burdened with recordings that are not very important when playing. You can try it yourself. This setting is quite influential in making the playing experience smoother without interruption. Okay, the most important thing, friends, is not to overheat your cell phone while playing games. That can cause performance to drop drastically. So, always provide a fan cooler to keep the cell phone temperature stable. Not only that, make sure also, your cell phone's chipset and RAM are capable of playing heavy games like PUBG, so it doesn't lag or crash easily in the middle of the game. Hopefully the tips and settings that I share are useful for you. Don't forget to try it, so your PUBG playing experience will be smoother and more exciting. See you in the next video, and hopefully chicken dinner will always be with you. Enjoy gaming, friends.